New Manila, bakit puro New Manila? Wala ba talaga yung Parañaque sa Katagig?
Takot sila,
New Manila Security Agency Corporation, Certificate of Commendation 2. General T. Soperiales. For the recovery of gas, New Manila uli, New Manila Security Agency Corporation, Certificate of Commendation 2. Rodolfo C. Di Juan Jr. For the recovery of cash amounting to 40,100.
Please subscribe Kuya Isko Official.
Alright mga kuya, mga kababayan, dito kami ngayon sa may MOA Seaside na naman, no? At meron kami physical fitness naman dito. So ibang mga tao na naman ito. So marami din, sa mga 200 na naman to. So dahil December, kumbaga every year kasi meron kaming binibigay na certificate, no? Sa mga na nakaka-recover ng mga items, cash man yan, or kumbaga binibigyan sila ng award, no? So ayan, panoorin natin. So ayan sila, no? Ayan, dami. So lapit tayo doon para mapakinggan natin sila. Alright?
Mula Monday, it's holiday yung Monday, no? Nandun na tayo sa bagong building. Hindi na lang sa mga tao, no? Ninyo, baka may kailangan sa office, doon na sila pupunta sa Tolentino Street. Anthony Ronquillo. Wow! It is with distinct pride and pleasure to commend you for exemplary performance of duty and unwavering dedication in accomplishing a task, which resulted to the recovery of white envelope with cash amounting to 6,300 pesos on July 18, 2023 at Taft Pito Cruz branch. The genuine enthusiasm you have displayed in carrying out your mission is worthy of emulation. Your meritorious act has proven your commitment in passion and aiding the branch in its operations in the field of critical incidents such as this. By this deed, you have earned credit not only for yourself but for New Manila Security Agency Corporation as well. Carry on and God bless. Given this, actually dapat noong 19th day of November 2023, signed Ila Mabit, Manila Una, President and General Manager. Of course, pag mga ganito, no, laging sinasamahan natin ng panggasolina yan. Okay? Sana all. Tao mo to? Okay. So, tao pala ni OS ito. Picture. Ito yung cash. Thank you. Alright. Next. Joke lang yun. Alright. New Manila Security Corporation, Certificate of Commendation 2. Florencio C. Araniego Jr. Wow! Yes! 5,000. Nice! Dapat kasayaw siya.
Kasi hati tayo dyan, ha?
Okay. For the apprehension of Salisi suspect resulting to the recovery of 1 unit iPhone Pro Max Nagkakalaga daw yata ito ng 69,000. On July 13, 2023, at Pedro Hill Branch. Signed, Ila Mabit M. Una, President and General Manager. Ito yung cash. Sino lang yun?
Nakabidyo ka rin.
Ay, camera. New Manila Security Agency Corporation. Certificate of Commendation to Bernardo Alilay Jr. Kasi nasa isip ko kanina yung pinsan na nagresign. But anyway, for the recovery of cash amounting to 34,500 pesos. 34,500 pesos on June 21, 2023 at Video Evangelista, Makati Branch. Okay, so before mag-reshuffle daw, sign, Ila Mapituna. Sige, sadan niyo po niya na lang to sa office. Lalaki, no? 34. New Manila Security Agency Corporation. Certificate of Commendation to Robert Lintiha Jr.
Nakadalawa ka na.
Ito, totoo na talaga ito. Ikaw na to. Okay. For the recovery of 1 unit MacBook Apple laptop. Nagkakalaga daw to ng 120,000 yata. Apple eh. Ang may-ari Tagalasal. On October 16, 2023 at Vito Cross Branch. Signed, Ila Mabit M. Una, President and General Manager.
Dalawa na yan.
Iba yung Apple, makasalanan niya.
Hindi pambibro.
Panungso. New Manila, bakit puro New Manila? Wala ba talaga yung Paranaque sa Katagig?
Hindi, takot sila,
New
sir.
Manila Security Agency Corporation, Certificate of Commendation to General T. Soperiales.
Kapil na lang sa ito.
For the recovery of cash, for the recovery of cash amounting to 50,000 pesos. Ayan, El Puyat Branch on December 21. Oh, last year pa pala to. 2022. Oh, last year pa pala to. Nalaman na sign, Ila Mabit M. Una, President and General Manager. 50,000. Right, New Manila uli. New Manila Security Agency Corporation. Certificate of Commendation to Rodolfo C. Di Juan Jr. For the recovery of cash amounting to 40,120 pesos on June 21, 2023 at SM Makati Branch. Actually, dalawa yan. And for the recovery of 2 cell phones, ATM, license, plus cash amounting to 2,540 pesos. At also sa Makati Branch on April 20, 2023. Signed, Ila Mabit, Manila Una, President and General Manager.
tayo.
Okay.
Napili tayo, ka?
New Manila Security Agency Corporation, Certificate of Commendation to Arnel Carmen.
Galing talaga mga taga Manila. Liyain nyo.
For the recovery of cash amounting to 15,000 pesos on August 30, 2023, and another cash amounting to 8,000 pesos on October 30, 2023 at OSA Makati Branch. Signed, Ila Mabit Manila Una, President and General Manager. New Manila again. New Manila Security Corporation, Certificate of Commendation to Jinel Lansangan.
Hi, Janelle. Janelle.
Alright, for the recovery of 1 unit iPhone 14 on September 2, 2023 at Liberisa Libertad Branch. Signed, Ila Mabit M. Una, President and General Manager.
Paitan na, paitan.
New Mabuhay International Security Agency, Certificate of Commendation to Del Brian I. Haima.
Manila yan siya eh. Manila. Eh, pwede na rin.
Hindi nangyari ito.
Huwag ka papasok mamaya.
For the recovery of cash amounting to 13,000 pesos on May 22, 2023 at Gayala. Bakit yung mabuhay? Galing ka ba na nga?
Sa Manila siya eh. Halata, di ba?
Mabuhay ka kasi talaga. Alright. Signed, Gilbert C. Manila, President and General Manager.
Hindi pa na bago. Bago mo na yan, wala kami ng Manila eh. Manila pa sana eh, pero bigyan tayo.
New Manila Security Agency Corporation, Certificate of Commendation to Joey F. Itosis.
Manila.
For the recovery of cash amounting to 10,000 pesos on September 29, 2023 at UN Avenue, Cocobo Branch. Signed, Ila Mabit Manila Una, President and General Manager.
Bigyan natin sila sa Manila. Buhay na natin. Buhayan nila.
New Mabuhay International Security Agency, Certificate of Commendation to Federico Buglusa.
Ayos! Sayaw lang. Shoutout mo na. Shoutout. Salamat, boy.
For the recovery of cash amounting to 2,614 pesos on July 9, 2023 and 9,000 pesos on July 10, 2023. Kasunod lang yun at BSM City Sucat B Branch. Signed, Gilbert C. Manila, President and General Manager. O yung malalaklag yung tira mo.
Ano?
Iyaw pa naman.
Ako ito Paranaque. Dong, sagpa dong.
New Manila Security Agency Corporation. Certificate of Commendation to Rani Piña. For the recovery of east-west check. So, checky pala to. Amounting to 25,000 pesos on August 1, 2022 at OW Mall, Macapagal Boulevard Branch. Signed, Ila Mabit M. Una, President and General Manager.
Okay.
So yung may contact dyan kay Alilay, pakisabi na lang.
Alright, so ayan mga ka-5-9, mga kaibigan, mga kuya. So tapos na yung award din, no? So tuloy lang yung discussion sa mga announcement din, mga iba pang mga usapin. So ayun, sa dami nang nabigyan ng certificate, grabe, congrats sa inyong lahat, no, mga ka-5-9 natin. So ayan, napakalinaw ng dagat, napakaayos ng panahon ngayon dito. Ayan, no? So ito yung microtel, yan, yung building na yan. So ayan, shoutout po sa lahat at support natin yung ating channel, no, sa YouTube, Kuya Isko Official. At syempre, yung ating Facebook page, no, sa ating agency, yung Mabuhay Security Agency. At sa mga gustong mag-apply, message nyo lang ako at baka matulungan ko kayo. At syempre sa mga gustong kumuha ng security agency, no, message nyo lang kami. At meron po tayo Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Okay, so thank you very much po. Muli po is official. Thank you very much po. Mabuhay po. Ayan, ganda ng aso. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, come on!